Hi there, it's Driveway DIY. Just going to do a quick video how to change a bulb on the side indicator light. It's on a Vauxhall Zafira, but it's very similar to other models as well. It's obviously one of those things. It's a bulb that has to be working. It's an indicator, and if it's not working, you will fail an MOT or an inspection. So, but you don't need any tools for this. All you need is a bit of patience and a bit of strength in your fingertips. So all you've got to do, you've got to push it to the left and push it out. The reason why I do that, it's got a bit of a spring clip on it, and that's what puts the tension to hold it in. So you push it towards, see that there? So you push that towards it and then it'll come out. And then behind it, you've got your connection. So just screw it, unscrew it, and there's your bulb. Take your bulb out, get your new one in. See that, just pushes in. And then get your lens, put that back in, screw it in, and then slowly put your tab, and it should just clip back in. So make sure your side's in first, and then just go push it in, and there's your click. And that's it. And it's as easy as that. Take you 5 minutes. One of those jobs, great for the DIY. As long as you've got a bulb, and job's a good one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you and get you through an MOT if you need to. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell if you want to see any more videos, any more uploads. Thanks for watching.